Did you know that your liver can be silently dying without you even realizing it?
Cirrhosis is a serious condition that affects millions, yet most people don't know they have it until it's too late. But here's the good news. If you act early, you may be able to slow it down or improve your liver health. Stay with me as we uncover the hidden signs, causes, and ways to support your liver naturally. Before we continue, please note that I'm not a doctor, and this video is for informational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Cirrhosis is a condition where the liver becomes severely scarred due to long-term damage. Instead of regenerating, the liver develops thick scar tissue, which blocks blood flow and reduces its ability to function properly. Think of it like a sponge turning into a hardened rock. It loses its ability to do its job, leading to serious health issues. Your liver performs over 500 essential functions in your body, including detoxifying harmful substances, aiding digestion, and storing essential nutrients. When cirrhosis progresses, it can impact every major system in your body, making early awareness and action crucial. What caused this condition? The most common factors include excessive alcohol consumption. Over time, alcohol damages liver cells, causing inflammation and scarring. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, is caused by obesity, diabetes, and poor diet, leading to fat accumulation in the liver. Hepatitis B and C are viral infections that can slowly harm the liver if left untreated. Toxins and medications, including the overuse of painkillers, exposure to harmful chemicals, and drug abuse, can impact liver health. Genetic disorders like hemochromatosis can overload the liver with iron, leading to cirrhosis. Autoimmune diseases such as autoimmune hepatitis can trigger the immune system to attack liver cells, leading to scarring. While some risk factors are beyond your control, lifestyle changes can make a huge difference in reducing your chances of developing cirrhosis. Cirrhosis doesn't happen overnight, but the warning signs become clearer over time. Here's what to watch for. Unexplained fatigue. Feeling constantly tired, weak and sluggish. Jaundice, a yellowing of the skin and eyes due to liver issues. Swollen belly and legs, fluid buildup in the abdomen and limbs known as ascites and edema. Easy bruising and bleeding. The liver helps with blood clotting. When it's struggling, bruising occurs easily. Mental confusion and memory issues. A buildup of toxins in the blood can affect brain function. Dark urine and pale stools. Liver issues can alter the color of waste products. Loss of appetite and weight loss. A struggling liver can interfere with digestion and nutrient absorption. Itchy skin and red palms. Toxin buildup in the bloodstream can cause skin irritations and unusual redness in the hands. If you or a loved one experiences these signs, it's time to take action. While cirrhosis is a serious condition, there are ways to support your liver health through lifestyle changes. Improve your diet. Eat liver-friendly foods like turmeric, leafy greens, garlic, and beets. Avoid processed foods, sugar, and excess salt. Stay hydrated. Water helps flush out toxins and keeps your liver running smoothly. Exercise regularly. Staying active may help reduce fat buildup in the liver. Limit alcohol and medications. Avoid excessive drinking and be mindful of over-the-counter drugs that affect the liver. Try natural supplements. Milk thistle, dandelion root, and curcumin are commonly believed to support liver detoxification, but always check with a doctor before taking any supplements. Practice intermittent fasting. Giving your digestive system a break may help reduce liver stress and promote repair. Manage stress and sleep well. Poor sleep and high stress levels can contribute to inflammation, worsening liver function over time. If you have cirrhosis, medical intervention may be necessary. Doctors may recommend medications to manage symptoms and prevent further damage, lifestyle modifications to reduce strain on the liver transplant. In severe cases, a transplant may be the only option. Regular monitoring, routine blood tests and imaging scans can track liver function and detect complications early. Vaccinations. Protecting yourself against hepatitis and other infections is essential if your liver is compromised. Early detection is key. If you suspect liver issues, get tested immediately. Your liver is one of the most vital organs in your body. Take care of it before it's too late. Small changes today can make a big difference in your future health. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Your body will thank you.